How to make digital Christmas cards in Canva. So to start, we'll just have to open our browser and then search for canva.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, go on the search bar and then type here Christmas card and then tap on search. After that, it will show you different templates that you can use. But if you want to start from scratch, all you need to do is to tap on this create a blank card. So in here, if you change your mind and you want to use templates, simply tap on the design option and then it will show you different templates here that you can use. So to start editing, simply select the blank card and then after that tap on the elements option, and then in here we'll have to go on the search bar and then we'll just have to type the design that we want to add on our Christmas card. So as for me, I'm just gonna type here snow and then after that tap on search. So as an example, I'm gonna select this one right here and then I'm just gonna place it here on my card. And then I'm just gonna make another copy for the other side. And then once I'm done with that, I'm also gonna use this one right here. Just gonna place it on top of my card. And then if I want to flip it, all I need to do is to select the design and then tap on the flip option. And then I'm just gonna move it here. After that, I'm also gonna add this one. And then I'm just gonna arrange the design here on my card. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna add another design. For example, I'm gonna add a Christmas tree. So in here, I'm just gonna select this one. And then here, if I want to remove the background, all we need to do is to select the design. And then after that, tap on this background remover option. After that, I'll just move it here on the left part. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna search for a Christmas background. So in here, it will show us different templates. So I'm just gonna choose this pink one. And then after that, we'll just have to select the design and then right click and then tap on the layer options so we can put it on the background. So I'm just gonna tap on this send to backwards option. And then after that, I'll just make sure that the background fits the card. And then once I'm done fixing it, I'll just have to right click and then tap on the layers option and then tap on the show layers. And then in here, I'll just drag the design to the bottom so it will be on the background. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to add a snowflake design. So I'm just gonna search for it. And then I'm just gonna use this one right here. And then I'm just gonna make sure that it covers the whole card. I'll just add another one. And then once we're done with that, we'll just have to add a text. To do that, tap on the text option. And then in here, we can now type a message. So as an example, I'm gonna type here Merry Christmas. And then if you want to change the font, simply go on top and then tap on this one. And then in here, we can now select a font. So I'm just gonna select this one. And then in here, we can also enlarge the words. To do that, we'll just have to highlight the word and then we'll have to tap on this one to make the text larger. And then if you want to change the text color, tap on this text color icon. And then as an example, I'm going to change it to red. And then after that, I'll just move the text to the center. So as you can see, I'm now done creating my digital Christmas card. So if you want to download it, all we need to do is to tap on the share option and then in here tap on the download option. So that's how easy we can make digital Christmas card in Canva. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.